How to make a circular organization chart in Google Sheets. Introduction to Circular Organization Chart. Search for Circular Organization Chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Select metric columns. Select dimension columns. Click on the Create Chart button. Circular Organization Chart is created successfully. How to configure a chart. Circular Organization Chart data requirements. You need between 0 and 4 columns of categorical data to create a circular organization chart. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need between 1 and 10 columns of numerical data to create a circular organization chart. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we will create a circular organization chart with 4 data columns as follows. 2 columns containing categorical data. 2 columns containing numerical data. Important: circular organization chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Search for circular organization chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select metric Q1 score. Select metric Q2 score. Select dimension departments. Select dimension teams. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in start row and end row text boxes. Currently, we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Circular Organization Chart is created successfully. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Chart Settings button to change chart type. Click on the Chart Type section. You can change the chart type to radar, spider, and polar. You can reset chart type. Click on the Chart Settings button to change curve points. Click on the Curve Point section. You can show or hide curve points. Change the curve point's radius. Click on the Legend Properties pen to change the color of the fill. You can change the shape type. Change the color of all fills and shape type. Click on the Axis Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Circle Lines section. You can set number of circle lines and other properties. Click on the Stats section. You can show or hide stats. You can set precision. You can set prefix and postfix. Axis properties are applied. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open sub-menu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo Charts list. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.